Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by measuring ingredients precisely. 1 cup milk powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Combine the dry mix, then add 1/2 cup cold water to make a lump-free slurry. This prevents grainy custard. Once the slurry is smooth, set aside. Meanwhile, heat 1 cup hot water until steaming but not boiling. This helps dissolve the powder faster. Make sure to keep butter and vanilla nearby for finishing. You'll add them near the end for shine and flavor. You now combine the slurry with the hot water over medium heat, whisking briskly so the mixture heats evenly. Keep stirring. Once it thickens, you'll notice it coat the whisk. This happens in about 3 to 6 minutes depending on heat. If it forms lumps, whisk vigorously and lift off heat briefly, then continue. Consistent motion prevents scorching. When the custard reaches a pudding-like thickness, lower the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla for richness and aroma. You finish by pouring the hot custard into a bowl and pressing plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent a skin. Cool to room temperature, then chill 1 to 2 hours until set. Make sure it's cold for the best texture. If the custard becomes grainy or separates, reheat gently over low heat with a small splash of milk and whisk vigorously. That recombines proteins and smooths texture. Serve chilled. Once done, taste and adjust sweetness if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.